Hi friends, today we're going to start the first part of creating a paper stuffed toy. Today we're going to draw our stuffed toy and cut it out. You will need a large construction paper or even a paper bag will do. And what you want to do is you want to fold it in half because you want to have both sides to sew together. So I folded my paper in half and now I'm going to draw the shape of the animal that I want my stuffed toy to be. Remember to draw your animal big. When you're sewing, it's a lot easier to sew something that is big. My fish is taking up almost the whole paper. I need both sides of my paper to stick together, so I'm going to staple it towards the middle. You could also just glue it together and leave it for a couple of hours. Now it's time to cut out my shape. I stapled my two papers together so that they don't move or separate when I cut out the larger shape. So right now I'm just cutting through both layers of the paper to cut out the shape of my fish. After I'm done cutting, my next step will be to embellish my fish.